In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the hamburger menu icon transparent in the Dawn theme on Shopify. This is perfect if you want to remove or change its background so that it blends seamlessly with your site, becoming see-through. Plus, I'll show you how to change its color, ensuring it shows up properly across all backgrounds. Let's start with the very first step, which is making a backup of your theme. You never know when things might not go as planned, so it's always a good idea to have a safety net. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin and select Online Store. From there, go to Themes and look for your active, live theme. You'll want to create a duplicate of this theme. This simple step will give you peace of mind, knowing that you can revert changes if anything goes awry. Once you've secured your backup, it's time to dive into the code. Stay in your Shopify admin, navigate back to your online store, and find your themes again. Click on your Dawn theme and then go to Actions. Here, you'll see the option to edit code. Select that to move forward. Now, we're looking for the right file to edit. In the Dawn theme, the main style sheet is typically called base.css, and you'll find it under the Assets folder. Depending on your theme's version, there might be another CSS file you need to consider, but base.css is a solid starting point. Open this file to make the necessary changes. With the base.css file open, scroll down to the very bottom, where we'll add a touch of custom CSS. To make the background of the hamburger icon, and possibly its surrounding container, transparent, you'll want to insert the following code. You'll also set the icon's color, so it remains visible on any background. Here's a snippet that might do the trick. Make hamburger icon background transparent. Header icon, menu, background. Color transparent, important. Change the SVG paths. Icon color so it's visible over transparent background. Icon hamburger. Header, icon, menu SVG. Header, icon, menu path. Fill. Important. Color. Buff. Important. If you've noticed an extra background called menu drawer when the menu opens, you might need to target that too. #menu drawer. Background, transparent, important. After adding these pieces of code, don't forget to hit save. We're almost at the finish line. The last step is to test how these changes look across various screens and devices. View your store on both desktop and mobile screens. Pay close attention to light and dark backgrounds, ensuring the icon remains visible. It's also a good idea to see how the icon behaves when you scroll, especially if your header becomes sticky, as this might require additional CSS adjustments for different header states, like when it's scrolled. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your hamburger menu icon in the Dawn theme on Shopify. Remember, always keep an eye out for any changes that might be needed as you test on different devices. Thanks for tuning in.